All the high count meters on AC, and they are right there glorious. It's clean, it's good. They're unhooked from that. They're separated. And then my ProMaster leads. But look how close they are. They're so great. AC mains, y'all. These things just agree. These damn meters are, they are expensive as hell, yes. But when you buy one, you're gonna still own it 40 years from now, and it's still gonna be just as accurate as it was when you bought it 40 years ago. That's the thing. That's the thing. Now, I got this meter. That's my first meter, but so I am a Fluke fanboy and always will be because I've seen how they last. That being said, y'all have a good one. All right, buddy.